This resin sculpture is cost around 5000 rupees, so today I am trying to recreate it for 500 rupees using cement. To make this work, the first thing I need is a mold of my hand. This is alginate. It's used to take impressions and it sets really fast. So once this is mixed, I don't get a second chance. Okay, it's already getting thick, we have to move fast now. And now there is no turning back. In less than a minute, they start becoming solid. Alright, the moment of truth. Okay, it's stuck. This is not coming out peacefully. I really don't want this to tear. Okay, it's tore from the both sides, but we saved it. And this is the exact shape of my hand. This is what the concrete is going to fill. Now comes the concrete. First, cement and water. Getting the consistency right is really important. And now I'm adding this color. The seller said this increases the shine. Let's see if that actually true. If the ear gets trapped in here, congratulations, we just made a modern art. But seriously though, bubbles can actually ruin the whole surface. Now we wait and hope this isn't a terrible idea. Alright, it's been 12 hours, let's see how this is turned out. I have no idea if this worked. Moment of truth, this better be worth it. Okay, that's actually look amazing. Some details are missing like fingertips, but I can fix that. Let's add a base so it can stand properly. And again overnight drying. Alright, let's see. It's look kind of white, that means the extra shine trick was a lie. So we have plan B, spray paint. When in doubt, make it gold. Okay, that's actually looks much better. Wait, I'm starting to see cracks in the base. Yeah, we are just going to pretend that's a part of a design. Not exactly resin, but honestly pretty close. As a first time using cement, this is actually way better than I expected. 500 rupees cement trying to look like a 5000 rupees resin. Now I want to see how far I can push this idea. Yeah, this is getting interesting.